Hello guys and welcome to Dilaw channel. Today we're gonna make a review about this Honor 10 and why I choose that phone, because as you know there is more phones like the Pocophone F1 with the same price, but the most powerful processor ever never in 2018. Honor Play, as you know, with the same processor but low price, etc. Now let's see the unboxing video about this phone. I make it a month ago to see what you can get inside the box. Let's see. Number 10 in the middle. And below the specification. So let's see the box and what's inside. EMA code and free case with warranty info. And we got the best fast charge included in the box after OnePlus 6, Huawei SuperCharge, 50% at 25 minutes. Earphones and cable USB Type-C support 5 amp. Now review the phone. As you see, it comes with pre-installed screen protector and transparent case. Design of the phone, as you see, stunning. Anyone who sees it will like it. Comes with 15 layers of glass that give the shape and the wonderful colors. The color with me is phantom blue, which changes from blue to violet, depends to lighten, give reflection on each movement, and also the edge on the side of the back to give a comfortable grip in the hand. As for the display, this phone comes with 584-inch LCD IPS Full HD Plus with small touch in the top, which give it a beautiful shape personally. This does not bother me because I can see all the notifications and you can remove the notch if you want. 3400 in the battery give you the whole day without charging, in compare with the Galaxy S9 with the same display size, which only has 3000 mAh. The speakers of this phone are very loud and great for mid-range price and LED notification. This phone comes with all the means of protection, unlock with Face ID, which work at night also, and in the front ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which work good, not quickly, and also work even if your hand is wet with water, and LED notification. This phone comes with the latest processor from Huawei, the same in Huawei flagship phone P20 Pro, Kirin 970, 10nm up to 2.4 GHz with GPU Mali-12 cores, 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. which give you up to 2000 score in single core benchmark and up to 21 on antutu benchmark. Seriously, that was a powerful performance for the price, but here the Pocophone F1 beats that phone in performance because they come with the most powerful CPU from Qualcomm in 2018, Snapdragon 845 up to 2.8 GHz. There is a 2 nano SIM which supports all network 3G, 4G, 2G, 4G plus, etc. And Bluetooth 4.2 can connect to both devices in same time. IR remote control, and we got NFC connection. Camera. In the front we have 24 megapixel single camera which have bokeh effect and beauty mode and all the selfie parameter you can get in this camera. And in the rear camera we have first camera 24 megapixel monochrome and secondary is 16 megapixel. Both are f1.8 in comparison with the Pocophone F1 or Honor Play and all mid-range camera. This camera of Honor 10 is the best one. Best camera in low light and AI camera to help you to get the best picture depends in your condition. Aperture mode. You can control the second lens to sort the background professionally and determine the focus of the camera. The lower number the greatest focus on particular object and the blur position of the background like bokeh effect. Portrait mode, which are famous in modern phones, Blu-ray level and bokeh effect, and zoom 2 times with the same quality of the picture, and you can get zoom 10 times as you can see on the video. And finally AI, I will show you some pictures. On the video side, this phone is shooting 4K Full HD Plus, Full HD up to HD with EIS, and slow motion with 120 FPS in Full HD and HD with 480 FPS. Oh my god. And finally HDR and Pro mode. Of course. The price of this phone is $370. Like the Pocophone F1 from Xiaomi. I see even if Pocophone F1 was the most powerful device, but also this phone can run any game and any app in 2018 with the best FPS experience, especially when you enable GPU Turbo on your phone. You already saw a benchmark about this phone. High specs can stay with you more than 2 years playing any game without any lag and any drop FPS. And if you want the most powerful device, you can go to the Pocophone F1. Yes, it's the most powerful device. That's it. But in the camera, Honor 10 is the best camera in low light and in specs. And you will get a stylish, stunning device, not like the Pocophone, plastic body. And Honor Play is the same like Honor 10 but aluminum body and weak camera, even weaker than Pocophone F1, but very low price. If you compare with both of them, you should think about that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for my first unboxing video. So like if you like this video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.